Software development lifecycle operation and maintenance. The operations and maintenance phase in software development lifecycle is the end of the beginning. Operational problems require operational solutions. Operational solutions focus on controlling access, inputs, and variability. Visibility of the software and its environment is a significant component of control. Logging and monitoring are essential for operational information. Maintenance functions are a natural part of operations. Maintenance, bug fixing, upgrade, enhancement. Bug fixing. Bugs are reported because of some scenarios which are not tested at all. Enhancement. Adding some new features into the existing software.